India's largest IT services provider, Tata Consultancy Services, or TCS as we know it, will reduce its workforce by 2% in 2026 financial year. Now, this will primarily affect the middle and senior managements as we are getting to know. The company is retraining and redeploying staff as it enters new markets, invests in new technology and deploys artificial intelligence, but about 12,200 jobs will be cut as part of this process. It says the transition is being planned with due care to ensure there is no impact on service delivery to our clients, the company added. Meanwhile, my colleague Priyanka joins me for more on this development. Priyanka, very worrying development coming in here. 12,200 jobs, or 2% of the workforce slashed by TCS. Do we see any short-term implication of this on the larger IT services industry in India?
That's right, Arjun. It was certainly like a Sunday shocker for all the employees because 12,000 jobs, it's 12,000 lives going to be impacted. Certainly for the company itself, it amounts to about 2% of the workforce. Now, everyone is sort of speculating that it's possibly because of the advent of AI across the board. But the company really has refuted at this point, at least, that it has little to do with the AI developments. And we have to really understand that during the pandemic, there was a rapid hiring across the tech industry, especially for all of the software companies as well, including TCS, which deals with primarily a lot of US clients as well. Now, with the US trade tensions coming to the fore and the geopolitical tensions coupled with the US consumer inflation, which has been rising, has sort of dented the business operations for various companies, including that of the TCS. Now, just to sort of take you back a little bit, the TCS chief, in fact, had earlier on said that their services delivery and decision making pertaining to the clients in the US had been impacted earlier on, and with this decision coming in, really it's going to impact not only TCS because of course it's one of the largest IT giants in the country, but the tech industry not looking all that great at the moment, Arjun.